All right. Hi, and welcome once again to Tech Tools and Hacks. This is a continuous part 4, probably the last part, for the insulating noise, the handling noise for this Behringer XM8500 microphone. Excellent mic. I love it. But insulating the handling noise is even better, in my opinion. So right now I'm going to hack the hack, if we can say it that way. This is to have fun. Come on now. All right. And I'm opening right here the mic. There we go. Straighten that out. This foam that I place at the end of the capsule, I will remove it so it won't sound kind of funny. This other fella here, I'll insert it even more. Why? To make space for some more. This is basically an average of 1¼ inch by 4.5. So this foam, I guess it'll insulate and whatnot. Being acoustically transparent, it won't sound too solid or too weird, as I experimented with this fella here. What I did was reduce some plosives between the grill and the mic capsule, placing one of this type shape, it's like a quarter of foam in between. And like I said, the foam that was at the end that I recommended, I removed it. And again, this is to taste. However you like to do this. I selected this type of foam for the reasons I just said. And there. That's all you have to do for this hack. And you just proceed to test it. See how it goes for the handling. Side to side, like this and that. As a matter of fact, let's do it live. I said live and I paused it. All right, know the volume. And here we go again. Okay, this microphone, I noticed, I guess it picks up more than this guy here. Wow, sounds solid. There's no reverb in the inside of the handle. Okay, I guess I'll listen to the true sound in post. And right now, apparently, it's working even better. You will still hear some plosives here because it only has whatever the capsule, it's the real thin foam, whatever that brings, and this on top. Of course, at the end of the day, you can use one of those um, capsule foams, for you might call it windscreen foam. I have no idea exactly. There's so many names for this thing, and to reduce the plosives, and of course, you can do it speak at an angle. I believe this has 120 degrees of pickup. This is a cardioid, not a supercardioid, cardioid, and it will still do the trick. So, mic handling, etiquette, and whatnot, that's up to you. At the end of the day, it's your mic. You do whatever you want. Okay. I'm going to do this live change again to the original one. we go. That's what I say. They sound different. Same procedure. Yet the results, as you may notice, they will vary definitely. But I like this one better. The way it handles. I guess I'll revisit this fella and remove the foam, roll it up, put it back in, and there's a two-piece foam, and see what happens, just in case. But this all depends how this once I listen it to it in post, how it sounds. So okay, my people, that's about it. Plain and simple. Remove the one at the back because of that weird like interference maybe, but it sounded like if I was talking through a tin can, and but that's my preference. Maybe you want to leave it there and whatnot. If you're going to do this type of hack, you're more than welcome, and see what happens. So these mics, I'll tell you one thing. I love the fact that I can divide. I'll screw this right here in the insides. I can add a transformer if I want, like the Shure SM58 and the 57 have. Put some hot glue in there. It all depends what you want to do. They're hackable. That's the best thing I like about these. I bought I'll be doing a video soon. A Behringer is a BA85A, and that is just a one piece. Even though it's divided here, it's just a simulation. It's false. So that one I will only place one of these foams, as a matter of fact, between the capsule and the grill. That's all I'm going to do to that mic in particular. That's a supercardioid mic. And oh, this is a beauty. This helps a lot. Okay, my people, thanks once again for visiting Tech Tools and Hacks. This is your host, Javi Tech, and have a good one. God bless.